Every component symbol in AutoCAD Electrical has attributes. Things like tag, description, installation, location, and catalog data. If these attributes are messy or badly positioned, your drawing becomes hard to read. First, let's move attributes properly. Right-click the component and choose Move Attributes. Click the attribute you want to reposition, then place it exactly where you want it. A few tips. Don't use regular move or grip editing. That breaks the symbol. Always move the attribute so AutoCAD Electrical keeps the component linked and clean. If multiple attributes are overlapping, move them one by one until the component looks tidy. Next, hiding attributes. Right-click the component and choose Hide Attribute. Click the attribute you want to hide. It disappears instantly. This is perfect for extra description lines you don't need, cataloged fields you don't want visible, reducing clutter in tight spaces. To unhide, right-click again and choose Edit Attribute or List Edit. Then toggle visibility. Now let's edit attribute values. Right-click and choose Edit Attribute. This lets you change the text directly, for example, updating a tag, description, or location code. If you want to see all attributes at once, use List Edit. This is great for checking hidden attributes or fixing multiple fields quickly. Finally, batch updates. This is where you save real time. If you need to update attributes across multiple components, use the project-wide tools. Go to Project Manager, Tools, Global Update Retag. Or Project Manager, Tools, Update Retag Components. Here you can update installation or location codes across the whole project, fix catalog attributes for all children, clean up text formatting, apply consistent attribute changes to every drawing. This is the fastest way to keep your entire project consistent. This is exactly what you'll achieve using Move, Hide, Edit, and Batch Update. If this helped, hit the like and subscribe for more AutoCAD Electrical tutorials. See you in the next one.